Ava, you ready to wash your hair?
Yeah!
What are we gonna wash our hair with today?
Reagan and I.
Yeah, Reagan Sanai. Hey guys, Ava and I are back with another review for the Reagan Sanai Natural Hair Essentials product line. In my last video, I gave a detailed review about this Mommy and Me product line that has pure, natural, and organic ingredients. This video will feature most of the products, but I will be more focused on these three brand new products: the Avocado and Banana Deep Conditioner, the Moisturizing Leave-In Detangler, and the Nourishing Growth Oil. If you'd like to know how I feel about these products, stay tuned.
This is the shampoo.
All right. You want to show them our conditioner too?
Yeah.
'Cause that's what we're using right now.
This is a conditioner.
Conditioner. All right. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Let's go. So the first thing I'm going to do is just rinse Ava's hair with warm water to break up all of the excess oils and debris to get ready to shampoo. We're also using the pink wash cap visor to prevent water from splashing into Ava's face. Well, we at least tried to use it, but you'll see later in the video that she actually wanted me to take it off. We are going to be using the Moisturizing Black Soap Shampoo today, and it is sulfate free. And as you know from my previous video, we absolutely love this shampoo. I also love now how it comes with a great nozzle tip for easy application, since it does have to be applied directly to the scalp. So we're just going to work that in, get her hair on nice and clean and her scalp clean, and then we're going to rinse this out and then get ready for the conditioner. Stay here, I gotta get a clip. Don't move.
Okay. Mommy said a clip.
What's that?
Mommy said a clip. Gotta lay down.
Yes, you do. Gotta lay down.
Gotta
Next up is the Avocado and Banana Deep Conditioner. This conditioner is a combination of avocados, bananas, coconut milk, honey, and so much more. It helps to smooth dry hair, to help strengthen, moisturize, and also to resist breakage. I am going to apply this conditioner generously all over Ava's hair. Then I'm going to apply a plastic bag and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Y'all, I absolutely love this conditioner. As soon as I put it on Ava's hair, I was so immediately in love. It just instantly made Ava's hair so soft and smooth and supple, y'all. I just feel as though it literally melted all of Ava's knots, all of her tangles. Oh my goodness, this was like one of the best conditioners I probably have ever used on her hair. If y'all don't listen to me for anything else, please listen to me when I say to definitely go to reagansanai.com to get this amazing conditioner. I'm telling you, it was so good. Even Ava was like, "Mommy, my hair is so soft." But yes, you guys, I absolutely love this conditioner. Do you like the conditioner?
Yeah.
Yeah? How's your hair feel right now? Can you feel your hair?
Wet.
It feels wet.
Yeah.
Does it feel soft?
Yeah.
It does.
Yeah. We'll be back.
And how long?
15 minutes.
15 minutes. All right.
The 15 minutes.
So we're all done with shampooing and conditioning Ava's hair. Now we are ready to style. I just wanted to show you that I did part off a front section of Ava's hair from ear to ear due to the type of style that I wanted to do for her. But for now, I'm just going to clip that section away and we will deal with that later. I am going to part off a section of Ava's hair in the back and spray it with some water. Ava's hair, for some reason, has just been soaking up water like no joke lately, so I always have a spray bottle handy just to keep it wet. We are first going to use the new Moisturizing Leave-In Detangler. This leave-in has leaf juice, honey, and lots of oils like avocado, jojoba, kiwi, olive, and much, much more. This leave-in was awesome for Ava's hair. She didn't actually have too many tangles to undo just because the amazing conditioner kind of took care of most of it, but I can definitely tell that, you know, if I didn't use the conditioner and just kind of like use the leave-in, that it would definitely be a breeze to comb through any type of knots or tangles for sure. It also softened Ava's hair even more and her curls were definitely moisturized and they were already starting to pop a little. It was really, really great. It also had a nice lightweight scent to it, so this was definitely another one of my favorites. Now I am going to apply the mango butter souffle to this entire section and then seal it all in with the new Nourishing Growth Oil. This oil is designed to penetrate the scalp, stimulate hair growth, and also reduce dry scalp. This oil has avocado oil, grapeseed oil, castor oil, vitamin E oil, and many more essential oils. I actually don't use a lot of oil in Ava's hair now because the ones I've tried in the past just don't seem to really make a difference for her hair, but this oil is completely different. It had a great consistency and it gave Ava's hair extra moisture and shine on top of the moisture and shine that all the other products have given her. Into a smaller section and then apply the rosemary hibiscus curl defining gel and get ready for twisting. And if you'd like to know exactly how I twist Ava's hair, you can just refer to our previous Reagan Sanai video, or you can refer to our twist out tutorial video. I continue this process of sectioning, applying the mango butter souffle, and sealing everything in with the growth oil throughout Ava's entire head. It is the next day and now we're going to finish styling that front section of hair that we pulled up yesterday. I'm going to do the same moisturizing process that I did, which is applying water to the section, applying the mango butter souffle, then sealing that moisture in with the Nourishing Growth Oil, and then applying our gel. I'm going to part a small section on both sides, then apply a small black rubber band, twist that section, and then apply a barrette at the end. The rest of the hair that is left on the top, I'm just going to make a small bun and then we're going to accessorize.